making knife sheaths. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're doing is we are going to make a plethora of knife sheaths. Some of my designs are a little bit older on the knives that we are making today because I'm getting ready for the annual 5.0 Posse car and trade show. All right, what that means is there'll be cars there. I'll put the links in the descriptions down below for the car show if you want to attend. It is on September 16th and a rain day on 17th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. All these knives will be there. So I have to make all the sheets. I have to get everything ready at least a month and a half ahead of time. So this way when I set up my booth, I'm good to go. You guys can come and purchase these knives. Some of these knives will need a little bit more attention, but for now what I want to do is just get all the sheets made. They will come with some type of device, either a tech lock or some type of metal clip, just so you can purchase the knife and then be on your way and put it on your belt kind of thing. So there's not going to be any type of customization, just regular knife sheets with some type of belt device on there. All right guys, so I hope to see you there. So let's get rolling. Alright guys, hope you appreciated that video. So on the larger blades, you're going to have the large tech lock, very simple to operate. You just pull that down, squeeze this in. This will fit up to, I think, a 3-inch belt. Has adjustments inside here, so if you're interested in that, this is a large tech lock. Will come with the larger blades, obviously. Alright, doesn't come out. Good sheet systems. For the smaller blades, what I did is I got a little metal clip. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. And it has 3 screw posts in there, rubber washers, and they are adjustable. So if you wanted to move this clip up and down, you can do that. Alright, so this is my skinning knife. That's going to be available. And again, fits in nice, doesn't fall out. Alright guys, so if you are interested and you can come by the car show, please do so. Again, I will put all the links down below. September 16th, rain day on the 17th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I will have a booth set up. Hopefully I can see you there. If not, please go to 3riverblades.com to order a knife. If you need a sheath, go to 3riverkydex.com. Also, check out the other links down below from all my other channels. And if you want to support this channel, all you need to do is give me a thumbs up, subscribe, put some comments down below. And if you want to, you can become a Patreon member. Only cost you $1 a month, where you get to watch videos like this before anybody else. And there's a couple different perks up there too as well. I'll put that link down below as well. All right, guys, thank you very much. And as always, stay safe.